This is day in a life of a professional sand sculptor. Today I'm here with the cast of Fox's new drama, Rescue High Surf.
I'm Alex Iono, I play Kainalo.
I'm Robbie Mangasiva, I play Captain Sunny Jr.
Hey, I'm Adam Demos, I play Will.
This show is about a group of lifeguards and is filmed in the beautiful North Shore in Hawaii. So what's a better way to get to know them than playing in sand? Today I'm going to be teaching these guys how to make a sand sculpture of Hawaii's national flower, the yellow hibiscus. And after a quick 5-minute tutorial, the cast were given 5 minutes to make their own. During this time, I got a chance to ask them a few questions.
Favorite memory working with this cast and crew so far?
You share a good laugh with each other. And it happens all the time, every day. It's always a good memory.
It's really easy with these guys because how we're acting right now is kind of how our characters end up acting in the show. Yeah. So it's nice.
What's your biggest influence coming up to this point in your career?
My missus has taught me a lot, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's always important to have
Yeah, I'm not trying to be all
missus.
cutesy. Yeah. I look up to her in a lot of ways, but she's, I learn a lot from her within the industry too, so.
I was really impressed with the results they had for how little time they were given. Comment down below who you think did the best of the four. And don't forget to check out Rescue High Surf, Mondays on Fox and next day on Hulu.